Good morning, dear student. Myself, Miss Deepti from DIPS Karolbagh, and in today's lecture, we are going to start History Chapter 9, Challenging the Caste System. So, caste system is very ancient tradition of India, and it is known as not in India, but it is the world oldest custom which is followed by any community in the world. So, let's start. Caste system and its evils. The caste system is based on has been an evil in our society since the ancient times. The Varna system, based on the division of work, followed by Hindus, slowly changed into caste system. Initially, when the society society was growing up in India, so the people used to do their work, and according to their work, they were known. Slow and steady, wo family to family, generation to generation, that work they continue, and slowly it become a caste system. Like फादर ग्रैंडफादर ने मिठाई की दुकान खोली, आगे उनके बेटे ने उसकी दुकान एक उसके बेटे ने आगे काम चलाया, देन उसके बेटे ने आगे काम चलाया, फोर्थ जनरेशन ने भी मिठाई का ही काम कर रहा था। हम उसको मिठाई वाला बोल देते हैं कि चाहे वो कोई भी हो, हम उसको मिठाई वाला ही बोलते हैं कि इनके मिठाई की दुकान है तो ये मिठाई वाला है। सेम वे इनिशियली वर्क ऐसे ही चल रहा था, बाद में धीरे धीरे उसका वर्क वो कास्ट सिस्टम में कन्वर्ट होता चला गया। बट 19th सेंचुरी में आते आते इसको मतलब 19th सेंचुरी में आके इसमें काफ़ी चेंजेस करने की कोशिश की। कई सोशल रिफॉर्मर्स कम फॉरवर्ड टू रिमूव दिस सोशल इवल फ्रॉम आवर सोसाइटी। लेट्स रीड अबाउट फ्यू ऑफ देम। The social and religious reformers of India followed the principle of equality, liberty, and fraternity. With these ideas, they tried their modernized society. Reformers like Ram Mahadev Govind Ranade said that political and economic progress will be possible only when there is a social change. Whenever there is a social change, society will be changed. तभी हम लोग उसमें ग्रोथ कर पाएंगे। सभी इकट्ठे ही होंगे, एक जैसे ही होंगे, तभी सोसाइटी ग्रोथ करेगी, डेवलपमेंट होगी, चाहे वो पॉलिटिकल हो, चाहे वो सोशल हो, चाहे वो इकोनॉमिकली हो, सभी की एक जैसे होना चाहिए, कंडीशन होना चाहिए। तो सोशलाइज ऑर्गेनाइजेशन लाइक ब्रह्मो समाज, आर्य समाज एंड रामकृष्ण मिशन हेल्प इन द क्रिएटिंग द सिंपैथी पाथ टुवर्ड्स द पीपल हु वर suppressed. Who were the suppressed? As we know, the society is divided in four varnas. Number one was Brahmins, number two was Kshatriyas, number three was Vaishyas, and number four was the Shudras. Shudras were the people who were suppressed because they do the menial work like cleaning works, cutting your hairs and such small things they used to do. they उनको untouchable count करते थे हमारी सोसाइटी में। So they were suppressed in the society and discriminated by the society. Apart from this, the caste system was opposed in many parts of India. The Satya Sodhak Samaj was established in 1848 by Jyotirao Phule. He condemned the caste system. His ideas were compiled in a book called Satya Sodhak, which was established in 1887. The Pratna Samaj was founded by Mahadev Govind Ranade, which also opposed the caste system. In Andhra Pradesh, Kandakuri Veera Salem fought against the caste system and the social evil. He was a great writer and wrote Rajshekhara Charitra, which was the first novel in Telugu. The magazine name Viveka Vardhini was started by him. The first Brahmo Mandir was constructed by him in Andhra Pradesh in 1887. He started a home for widows. Next is Swami Vivekanand. He was a discipline of Ramakrishna Paramahansa, who was a religious teacher. स्वामी विवेकानंद, इसके बारे में, इनके बारे में कौन नहीं जानता। अब हम उनके बारे में थोड़ी इंफॉर्मेशन लेंगे। Swami Vivekanand purged against the caste system. He founded the Ramakrishna Mission in 1897. Swami Vivekanand's original name was Narendra Datta. He said that the serving mankind one can serve God. He gave a speech to the world Parliament of Religious at Chicago in 1893. His speech impressed many reformers and freedom fighters. The Ramakrishna Mission is involved in the many charitable activities of society. Sri Narayan Guru. So Swami Vivekanand वर्क फॉर द वेलफेयर ऑफ द सोसाइटी। रामकृष्ण मिशन उन्होंने स्टार्ट किया, वाज स्टार्टेड बाय हिम, जो कि सोसाइटी में गरीब लड़कियों की शादी करवाना, विडोज की रीमैरिज करवाना एंड अदर सोशल एक्टिविटीज़ में काफ़ी आगे बढ़कर इन्होंने काम किया था। नेक्स्ट इज श्री नारायण गुरु, फाउंडेड द श्री नारायण धर्म प्रतिपालना योजनम इन 1903 in order to educate people about the religious and the religions and the caste and one God for mankind. He fought for the Havas, a caste which was considered untouchable. Perrier spent his lifetime fighting against the caste discrimination and dominance of the Brahmins. He founded an organization called Dravid Karzam for the benefit of Dalits. This organization fought for the reservation of government in for jobs for Dalit. As a result, an amendment in Indian Constitution was later made to protect the rights of lower caste Indians. Gandhiji fought against the social evils of untouchable. He coined the term Harijans, the man of God, and even started a magazine called Harijan in 1933. Gandhiji made social reform a part of national movement to give utmost importance to the removal of untouchability. So all these persons work hard to remove this evil from our society. The society in which we are living today is is formed due to the hard work of all these people. In next lecture, we are going to read about the other movements who fight for the this caste system, against this caste system. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.